Heat maps are useful for showing patterns in two-dimensional data sets. The data that I have here to illustrate this is tissue data and genes measured in those tissues, and we have a numerical value that gives us an indication of the importance of those genes in those tissues. To go ahead and make a heat map of this, I'm going to use the Scalar Field Command. You can go ahead and add this command. You don't pre-select data for this. When you do, you'll see that there's a number of menus that need to be populated in order to create the heat map. For example, this numerical value representing the importance of the gene, I'll put that in the values column. I want along my x-axis the data grouped according to tissue, and my y-axis will be the data grouped according to gene. Boom, I have my heat map, but a couple of things I want to change here. First of all, similar to the box command, the order here by default is alphabetical. Let's go ahead and change this to use the order that's in the table. This data comes from a clustering analysis, so the order given here is actually important. The other thing that I want to do is actually reverse the Y order, change it from linear in your axis settings to reversed. Now this is the standard for this type of data in terms of how to visualize this. But the colors are not what we want to see. And I will show you how to do that in a minute. But before we change the colors, let me show you how to quickly add a color ramp to this, because DataGraph does have a color ramp legend you can add. But the fastest way is to click the gear menu on the Scalar Field command and say Add Color Ramp. There we go. Now we have our color ramp, so you can see what numerical value is associated with the various colors here. But in this case, we want to change the default of going from a high number, meaning a lot of light or high intensity, to something that shows us the values here in a way that makes more sense. So we could simply even just reverse this from a white to a dark and use one of these built-in color ramps, but I actually have a custom color ramp I created that is really appropriate for this type of data, where red is going to indicate a high number and blue will indicate a low number. To select a custom color ramp, and I'm showing this custom color ramp here is in my data side panel. You just select it here. There'll be a list of custom color ramps, and there's the one I added, and that's it. So this is your quick intro to the heat map in DataGraph, and you can see from this heat map, for example, pretty clearly which genes are most important in particular tissues. And I will put in the description of this video a link about creating custom color ramps. And if you have any questions on any of this, please leave them in the comments or let us know. Thanks.